Well, we can certainly say that it has been abnormally warm for Pittsburgh. KDKA First Alert meteorologist Trey Fulbright joins us now. And not only that, it has been so very dry for us here too, Trey.
That's right, Erica. We have new drought monitor in this week. Things are not looking much better here. This is last week's drought monitor. You can see all the extreme drought. That's the red color in the parts of Ohio and West Virginia. But as we fast forward to this week, we've seen that extreme drought expand farther north and also the severe drought as well. So things are really starting to dry out across our area. And I just looked this up in between shows this morning. Now we are at the 15th driest fall to date on record. We're running a little bit over 3.5 inches behind. So we need quite a bit of rain here to really help out our current situation. This is a look at the latest stream flow on our area rivers here as well. Notice the dark colored dots here. That's an indication of river stream gauges that are in the lowest 10th percentile of flow, which basically means you don't get many records lower than what we're seeing out there right now. We're seeing a lot of that on the Youghiogheny River, the Loyalhanna Creek, also up north toward the Beaver River and the Shenango River as well. So a lot of these areas do need rainfall as we are starting to run into some hydrological issues. Our waterways are starting to dry up here with the lack of rain. Not much going on out and about this afternoon. We have partly cloudy skies after an overcast morning. That will lead to mostly sunny skies and temperatures warming up this afternoon back into the mid 60s. All the warm air, the really warm air is south of that frontal boundary. You can see DC right now at 82, at 61 in Pittsburgh, 53 back closer to Chicago. Our next big weather maker will bring us rain is currently out in the Four Corners region, and this thing is producing quite a bit of snow right now. This upper level low, 1 to 2 feet of snow has been reported in the parts of the mountains of New Mexico and southern Colorado and the southern Rockies. Now, until that system gets here, we have a couple of dry days anticipated. This afternoon, all those clouds will continue to work their way on out, and then overnight we'll fall back down into the upper 30s to lower 40s tomorrow morning with a little bit of patchy fog possible. Mostly sunny skies anticipated Friday afternoon. We'll be back in the upper 50s to low 60s. We'll get a weak front in here Friday night and a Saturday morning. That'll drop us down into the 30s before we rebound back into the lower 60s and upper 50s coming up Saturday afternoon. I do want to point out that the fire danger will be elevated tomorrow afternoon, medium to high across our area because the air will be fairly dry. Our drought conditions are worsening and it will be breezy as well. So do try to avoid outdoor burning, especially as we go into Friday, and especially if you're under a burn ban. We have one more dry day anticipated on Saturday before the rain chances move in. We'll cloud up Saturday night into Sunday morning, and it's likely by midday Sunday into Sunday afternoon. That's when the best chance of rain will move across our region, and we can't even rule out a few thunderstorms as well with that system coming through. 7-day forecast has us again dry and mild through the end of the week. The best chance for showers and thunderstorms along with breezy conditions coming up on Sunday. But even after that system comes through, we're still looking at above average temperatures as we go into the middle part of next week.